Hi guys, I'm back. It's been a long time, but I thought I would do a follow-up with my video about my avoiding surgery, my appendicitis that I had many years ago. I've had so many comments on that video and so many people watch it, and I'm so happy about that because I've seen and I've heard from you guys on how much it's helped people. You just stumbled upon the video and you were suffering from the same thing and were able to use the juice and how it's helped you, and I'm so thankful for that. That was my intention the entire time for that video anyway. So I just wanted to give a quick update for you guys as well. I made that video many years ago, and I had the episode with my appendix over 10 years ago. I think it's been almost 12 years ago now that happened, and I still have my appendix, and I have not actually had any flare-ups with my appendix since then. I still drink the juice. I still probably make it a couple times a month just to help with inflammation, natural occurring inflammation, or from the environment or whatever it might be. And so I still make the juice, and I make it for me and my family. And my kids love it. And actually, I use it. My oldest son, he has some health issues with his kidneys, and I've made this juice for him, and I see how quickly it can help to improve when he has a flare-up. So I use it for that as well. But I've had so many people that it's helped, and I'm just so grateful to God that He gave me that recipe. My aunt had severe arthritis. She had it in her hands. Her hands, they were all red, and she could barely open them. They were kind of stuck like this. And she asked me if there was anything she could do, and I said, yeah, try my juice. She had my cookbook, Simply Fresh, and I said, the recipe is in there. That whole book is worth that one recipe, but there's so many other good recipes. So if you have it, try them out and drink that juice. If you don't have it, you can get it on my website. But her hands were curled up like this and in such pain, and she made the juice, and even the next day she could open up her hands better and she could use them a lot more, and she was amazed by it. And so she kept making the juice, and soon she's not suffering from the arthritis like she was before. I've had a friend who had diverticulitis. She had been in the hospital for 3 days. And as a dietitian, I know when you're in the hospital with diverticulitis, we put you on a clear liquids diet because there's a lot going on in your intestinal tract. And nothing was helping her. They put her on medication, they put her on a clear liquid diet, and nothing was helping. So she got home and she gave me a call. And this was also years ago. And she gave me a call and she said, is there anything I can do? And I said, yeah, try my juice. At the time, I didn't have a book, but I had told her about my appendicitis before and the juice. And so I gave her the recipe. And I think that's right around the time when I made the video. And I gave her the recipe, and within the next day, she was back to her regular self. She was in no more pain. And all the medication, all the fasting wasn't helping, but the juice, the anti-inflammatory juice, had helped her. And I was so grateful for that. And of course she was too, because that is painful stuff. People with gastritis have used this juice to help as well. Anything ending in itis is just inflammation of the body, and this juice can help it. I have a family member who has severe inflammation, and we're not exactly sure what it is. The doctors aren't sure what it is. We're not exactly sure where it came from. But I started making our family member this juice, and I was like, you know what? This is what I know how to help you with is inflammation, and it's helped. The lymph nodes that have been severely inflamed, they've gone down. And there's not as much pain, but it's something that has to continue because it's severe inflammation, and we're not sure what it is or what it's from, but it's still helping. The juice is still helping. So I just wanted to give you guys an update, and just wanted to thank you for sharing the video, for watching it. And if you know somebody else who is suffering from any kind of inflammation, anything ending in itis. You hear your friends or family say, oh, I have blah, 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 itis, appendicitis, gastritis, diverticulitis, arthritis. Think about the video and send it to them. If you have my book, show them the recipe, give them the recipe for it. And just continue to share it, because it's just a blessing, this recipe. And I just wanted to give you guys an update. I still have my appendix after 10, 12 years ago. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, and I'm also going to do a video about how to help with arthritis and gout. So the juice will help, but there's another thing that will really cause some relief to people with that. So stay tuned to find that one out.